I'm going to show you how to create landing pages, set up email sequences with GetResponse for ClickBank affiliate products. So we are going to follow three simple steps. So step 1, choose product and get all resources, that is affiliate link and email swipes. So let's jump into the step 1. So let's choose products. So for that we have to go to our ClickBank account. So let's go to ClickBank. Okay. So I have already logged into my ClickBank account. So let's go to affiliate marketplace. So in affiliate marketplace, you can see categories. So as we are into affiliate marketing, so we are going to choose e-business and e-marketing. Okay. So now you can see lots of products here. Okay. So for this tutorial, we are going to select this product, that is ClickBank University. It's an affiliate marketing product. Okay. So now let's go to the affiliate page, that is JV page. Okay. So we are going to open this in a new tab, right? So now it is the JV page. So you can get details of this product in this JV page. You can see all the funnels, front end, upsell, downsell, everything you can see here. Okay. And what commission you will get, all funnel and commissions you can see in this page. Okay. So what we need to do now, as we have to promote this one, so I have to register this as an affiliate. Okay, I have to become an affiliate first. So for that I have to enter my name. So it's already there. Okay. And my email, sorry, my ClickBank ID. Now click on become an affiliate. Okay. So after that, so this is the JV tools page. Here you will get your, again you can see the funnels. Okay. And we are going to promote this product, ClickBank University. Okay. And you can see this is your affiliate link. Okay. So when you will promote this link, you need to just change this. Okay. With your ID. Okay. Change this with your ID and you will get your email swipes here. This is the subject line, this is the messages which you have to send. Okay. So now let's go to step 2. So what is step 2? Let's see here. Log into GetResponse, create list, create autoresponder and design messages. So we are going to create list now. So for that we have to go to GetResponse. As I am already logged in, so what we are going to do, we are going to create a list. Okay. So I'm going to create a new list and going to give it a name. Bank affiliate training. Okay. Click on create. Okay. You can see it is created. ClickBank affiliate training. So now what we have to do, we have to go to autoresponder. Okay. As you can see, we have created list. Now we have to create autoresponder. Okay. So let's go to get response again and click on autoresponder. Okay. So here we have to click on create autoresponder. We have to give it a name. What we are going to name it? We are going to name it bank affiliate training autoresponder. Okay, we can name anything. Okay, so now this is very important. You have to choose your list, linked list. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one, ClickBank affiliate training, which we recently created the list for this particular landing page or particular product. Okay, so we have chosen ClickBank affiliate training. Now here on day one, we will choose day one, same time as the sign up time. Okay, so once anyone will just opt in your landing page, they will get immediately that message. Okay, so email id is here. Now subject line, now we have to go to the jv tool page, and there you can get email swipes. So the first email is here, and you have to just copy the subject line from there and paste it here. Okay, everything is fine. So now what we have to do, we have to design message. So we are going to design message. Okay, so go to blank template. We are going to choose this one column. Okay, so friends, now we are into creating that messages, right? Creating that email. So first of all, we have to remove this one. We don't want logo or view online link something. So what we have to do, we just need to uncheck this. Okay, again uncheck this one also. Okay, so friends, now what we want to write something, we want some other elements. So what we have to do, we have to click on this plus sign. Okay, so now friend, you can see there are some elements in the right hand side. Okay, image, text, button, video, spacer, divider, social links, whatever you want to have in your email, some elements are there in your right hand side. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to choose an image. Okay, I like to have image in my email, choose images in my email. Okay, so go to browse, as I have already uploaded an image, so it's showing here. And if you don't have, then you can choose it from here, add. You can click add files and drag and drop this file here. Okay, so as we have already, so we can use this one. So we are using this. So it is set up. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to do we need text now. Okay, so click on back. As you can see, text is there. Okay, just drag it and drop it here. Fine. Now what you need to do, you need to go to your jv tool page. Okay, go to jv tool page, and you can copy this entire message. Okay, entire message of email one, you copied, and you can paste it here. Okay, now friend, we have to take care of it, that it should look a little bit attractive. Okay, Yeah, done. Now what we need affiliate link. Okay, we need affiliate link. I want this affiliate link here. Okay, so from where can we get our affiliate link? We need to go to the JV tool page. So let's go to the JV tool page. It is our JV tool page. Okay, just copy this link from here as I copied. Okay, now I have pasted it here. Okay, one thing we have to do, that we have to change this text, your clickbank ID. What is our clickbank ID? I'm going to put my clickbank ID. Okay, so I have written my clickbank ID. Okay, no, so also I'm going to copy this. Okay, and I'm going to add a link in this image also. Okay, so if somebody clicks on this image, they will go to my product offer page. Okay, that is my thank you page. Fine, I have inserted this. Done. So now what I have to do, I can do one thing. I can test the message, I can preview it, I can inbox preview it, and I can spam check. So I'm going to check the spam. Okay, so it's good to go. Fine. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to click on next. So we are done. Fine, it looks awesome. Now we are going to click on save and publish. So friends, our autoresponder is set up. This is ClickBank affiliate training autoresponder, right? So friends, let's go to our doc file. What we have done, we have created our list, we have created autoresponder, and we have designed the messages. Fine. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the final step. What is that? That is go to landing pages. So let's go to landing pages. I'm going to my autoresponder. Sorry, I'm going to get response and going to landing pages. In landing pages, I'm going to create landing page. Now I want to build it from scratch, and I want this plain template 10. Okay, you can decide as per your requirement. Okay, so currently I want this. So click on this. You have to name it. So I'm going to name it click bank affiliate training. Right. Click on next. Now friend, this monster is loading the template. Okay, so now it is loaded. So this is the template what we have chosen. Okay, and we need to customize this. And friends, if you want to upload your logo or picture, anything, you can do it, but currently I'm going to delete it. Okay, you can get this all from the right side menu. Okay, this tool menu. Okay, so first of all, what I need to do, first of all friend, I want to show you what we are going to design. I mean, what type of design we want. So as I have already did this, so I can show you. I want this type of landing page. Okay, it's looking quite gentle. Okay, so what color I have to choose for this heading section? This is yellow, no? Okay, fine. So I need yellow color. So I have already copied, but I'm using ColorZilla. So you can copy it from here like this. Click on the color what you want. Color is copied. Okay, and you can just copy this color code. Okay, now what you want? First of all, I need a rectangular shape here. Okay, so shapes are here. You just need to drag it and drop it here. Okay, now I have to just fix it like this. Okay, like this. Okay, now, yeah, it's done. Okay, I have to design it very sharply. I think it's fine now. Okay, so what I have to do? I have to change its color. What you need to do? You have to double click on that shape you have made. Okay, just choose this color. I mean, you can change this color from here. Okay, so it's not that. Wait. First of all, I need to copy this and paste it here. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so done. Now what I want? I want this heading section. What is this? Clickbank super affiliate. Okay, so I'm going to type Clickbank affiliate training. Fine. So just drag it and drop it here. Okay, and you can change its color. I'm going to make it white. Okay, fine. And I want this text to be blue in color, just like this. Okay, so I need to choose again this blue color. So I have chosen this. Okay, now make it blue. Fine. So it's blue now. Fine. So it's looking fantastic. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to take this little down. Okay, we don't want this section. Okay, so You can drag again a shape, rectangular shape from here, fix it. Fine. You can fix it here like this. Then, so you have to do it very sharply. Okay, but it's very easy. It's just like a drawing class. I love it. So, friends, again, what I have to do, I have to change its color to this dark one. Okay, so again, copy this color, copy it from here. Okay, and double click on this shape you have created just now and change the color to the dark one. Sorry. Okay, I have pasted the dark one color code and click on OK. Fine. So it's done. So now what we have to do, we have to write, make your very first ClickBank commission today. Okay, so we need text. So we are just duplicating this and taking it here. Okay, and what we have to write, make your, and make your very first ClickBank commissions today. So now I want this one to be white in color. So it's done, and I want it to be blue in color. So it's done. Now again I want this yellow in color. Okay, I want yellow in color. This one. Okay. So what I have to do, again I have to copy this yellow color and copy this color code and paste it here. So it's done. Okay. So I'm going to increase its size now. Wait. Right. So we are going to increase the line height from here. Okay. We are keeping this to the level 2. Okay. So I think it's done. It is looking gentle. Okay. You can drag it like this and you can just fix it in the middle. Okay. Just like this. See. And where you want, you just leave that there like this. Okay, so we are done. So what next? What we have to do? We are going to add one more line. What is that? Created by ClickBank themselves. Okay, so again duplicate this and take it here and leave it. Okay, and write created by ClickBank themselves. Okay, done. So what color do you want? You want this to be white, this to be blue, and this to be yellow. Fine. Yeah, it's looking good. So I think it is perfect now. Yeah, I think it's perfect now. Okay. So again, here we have to change its color. I want this to be yellow, as in our in this landing page you can see this is yellow. So I want the same landing page. Okay, yellow. So what I have to do, just double click on this, click on this, and here choose yellow. Okay, so it's done. Now I want this dark color here. Let's see, is it available? Yeah, it's there. Okay, then click OK. So it's done. Now I have to change the text. Access done. Get access. So we are done here. Now what I have to do? Let's see, it's in middle or not. Yeah, fine. So what I have to do now? Now I'm going to check the mobile view. Let's go mobile. Fine. So in mobile view, I have to change something. I'm just taking it downwards. I will show you why I'm doing this. Okay. So now done. So now friends, you have to increase its text size. Okay. Make make your very first ClickBank commissions today. So how is it looking now? I think it's awesome. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to just attach it here. Okay, and Let's increase its size little bit. Okay. So how is it looking, friend? ClickBank affiliate training. Make your very first ClickBank commissions today, created by ClickBank themselves, and your name, your email, get access. Right. So now again, let's come to here. Okay, and let's change this color. So we are going to change this color into blue color. Okay, excuse me, my laptop needs to be plugged in. So friends, now we are going to change its color little bit. Okay, so how is it looking? Done. ClickBank affiliate trading. So everything is done. Mobile view is done. Okay. So next step. No, no, we want mobile version also. Return to editor. Again, let's again click on next step. So it's done. Now we are going to landing page settings. So friends, we are almost done. Okay. So here our page title, ClickBank affiliate training. We are not providing any description right now. Okay, and here it is your get response subdomains. If you want to change this subdomain, you can change it or leave it as it is, but here I'm going to change it. Okay, I'm going to name it as this one. Okay, just copy this and paste it here. Okay, what is it? Click bank affiliate training, right? Dot great dot com. Fine. So now what we have to do, you can also add your own domain. Okay, so here choose list from here, click bank affiliate training, which list we have created for this particular session, or this particular video, or this particular product actually. Okay, sorry for that. uh, Now uncheck this confirmed opt-in. Okay, and you have to choose day of cycle, that is day one message one, right? So on day one you want to send them message one. On day two or day three you can send message two, three, four. Okay, like that. So now you have to go to your thank you page. Go to custom thank you page. What you have to do now, you have to put your affiliate link here. Okay, so I'm going again to my JV tools, and I'm copying my affiliate link and I'm pasting here. It's already there because I have done it multiple times here. So you have to paste it here. Make sure you put your own ClickBank ID here. Okay, as I have done here. Okay, so now everything looks great. Okay, let me check ClickBank affiliate training. Done. Now what you have to do? You just need to click on publish. So it is published. So click on this one and I'm opening this in a new tab. See how is it looking, friends? It's looking nice, right? So friends, we are we have done everything. So let's again go to our doc file. So what we have learned here, we have followed these three simple steps. Firstly, we have chosen a product from ClickBank and got all resources, got affiliate link, email swipes. In the second step, we logged into our get response. We have created a list and we have created autoresponder and we have designed messages. Okay, so in the last step, we created our own landing page, that is mobile phone responsive landing page. Okay, so friends, we are all done now. Okay, so I think this video will be helpful to all my friends. Hope you